Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Wednesday, December 20th. We are getting really close to Christmas, so we're getting early morning action and then some consolidation or some slow movement, in the afternoons. I suspect that trend to continue Thursday and Friday, but who knows? Anyway, just want to continue putting out the videos so you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. But before I do that, I just want to answer some questions. I've been getting a lot of questions about the indicators and my plans moving forward. So as you all know, I'm working for a startup in the healthcare world, and it was a very, very exciting opportunity that truly we have the opportunity to change healthcare for good and flip it right side up. And so it's I'm learning a lot every day. We are extremely busy, and so I'm doing my best to put these videos out. But here's what I've done, guys. Clearly, I'm not, I'm still trading, right? This is my passion, and I want to help as many people as I possibly can. So I've actually hired a trader who is trading my own money with this strategy. So I don't have to watch it and trade it during the day. I meet with him twice a week to go over trades, and that's it. In addition, I am bringing on one of my former students who will run a room. I want to pack a bunch of people in the room just so you all can see this real time. And it's going to be free in the beginning, and then be a small fee to continue being in the room. And then as far as the indicators are concerned, right now I can't push them out, okay? I have a programmer who's had some personal issues, and he hasn't been working for 2 months. But you can see here, guys, here's everything on MetaTrader. Okay, so I'm making progress on MetaTrader. So I got the zones, the trend indicator, and if anyone out there knows how to get range bars on MetaTrader, or if you know how to do the global crosshair, so that when I have my cursor at this point on this chart, it shows up on these other charts as well. And furthermore, how the hell do I keep my cursor on? Every time I turn my cursor, my crosshairs on, it turns back to a pointer. So I would love some help with that if someone knows. In addition, on NinjaTrader, as you guys know, I already have the zones on there, but I don't have the trend indicator done yet. I'm hoping that gets done soon. I've been waiting for 2 months to get it done. Anyway, there's an update. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. You can see these, and this morning, early morning, there's a nice little sell zone here in the 5-minute. And we had a nice little weaker high pattern, followed by a money pattern. So these are trades you could take. They work out pretty well. But that's not a trade that I'm taking right now. So let's go to 8:30. Here's 8:30. I am red in red. Here's my first sell zone. Price gets within 2 ticks, so I would be short at 0550. It goes against me by 6 ticks, not 7, so I'm still in it. Now it goes against me 7 ticks, so I'm stopped out. So there's a loss. And then I'm back in at 0550, and that's clearly a winner. So 1 loss, 1 win, and then in order to take another trade, remember I have to have a break above a red zone and a green zone. So I'm missing all these trades, okay? Unfortunately. Here's my green zone, and a break above a red zone. So at this point, let me get these charts set up. Look what's going on here, guys. I have a 5-minute zone inside of the 15-minute zone. That's where this big bounce came from. And you can see I had a weaker low pattern right here. Actually, no, I got to go back further, don't I? Never mind. I didn't have a weaker low pattern. So I didn't have anything down here. Never mind. Okay, so let's see. Actually, if you look at this one right here, you do get a pattern in there. And price does come back into the 5-minute zone, but this never made it 10 points. So again, I'm not taking these trades. I'm just trying to watch them. So right now, what I'd be waiting for would be a zone inside of a zone or a red zone. Okay, I have a red zone here. I'd have a trade right here for a loss. And then a second trade never sets up. So there's another loss. Here's another red zone. Never sets up. Okay, do we have a red zone? Yes, we get within one tick. So my entry would be below this bar at 73.50. Need to get down to 83.50. I'm sorry, 63.50. And there's your target right there. So there's a second winner. Okay, unfortunately, look at this. So my 15-minute zone is still valid. Oh wait, no, actually, never mind. It's not. I was about to say I could have had a zone inside a zone, but that's not true. So never mind. Now I do have a red zone on the 5 minutes, so I could look out for a zone inside the zone, which I get right here. So I'd take a short right here at 75.50. Stopped out right there, and I'd re-enter at 75.75. Stopped out, and I'd re-enter at 75.75. And this one, it tried, guys. It tried to make it. Never made it. So I had three. I'm going to end up with 3 losses inside that zone. Okay, here I have another zone inside the zone, so I'd have one more loss in there. Sorry if you guys can hear my daughter singing. I apologize. Okay, so right here we are green and green. Never get a setup. Okay, so that's good. Okay, I have a zone inside the 5-minute zone right here. But price never comes back. Okay, I'd have a trade right here because I'm green and green. I'd be in at 77. And I'd be stopped out. Sorry, I'm laughing at my daughter. Okay, so now I am red and red, so I could be technically looking for shorts. Or I could wait for a zone inside of the zone here. Here's a red zone. Never sets up. Here's another red zone. This one does set up, so that's going to be a loss. One loss in there. Okay, no trades in here. And that's it, guys. That's the end of the day. All right, so what does that leave me? 8 losses and 2 wins. So let's go ahead and add that to the spreadsheet. So we have 8 losses, so that's going to be 28. And then 2 wins would be 5. Okay, making a little bit of progress here. So now I'm only down. Hold on one second. I've got something wrong with my spreadsheet here. Excel quit on me last night, and clearly I did not get the trades entered in on this one because I hadn't saved from Friday, so I need to go back to my YouTube video from Friday, and I need to upload, or I'm sorry, put in the trades from Friday because last week was a 1% win week. Anyway, so right now I'm down 1 trade. So we'll see what tomorrow and Friday brings. Okay, now let's take a quick look at the 12 range. 12 range had a killer day today, guys. All right, here's your 830. Okay, so I'd have a trade here for a loss, trade here for a loss. Okay, that is within 2 ticks. So I'd be in here at 97.50. Need to get down to 82, which happens right here. There's a winner. So I would re-enter here. So this is a loss. That's 3 losses, 1 win. I'd enter again. That's 4 losses, 1 win. Be in at 84. Need to get down to 69. There it is. So 4 losses, 2 wins. Would not have taken that one. Here's a loss. So now we have 5 losses, 2 wins. Now I can look for longs. Here's a long. 68.50. Need to get to 68.50, 78.50, 83.50. There it is. That's 5 losses, 3 wins. And that's the end of the day. So let's go add that in here. $17 and 4. Okay, so that brings me positive on the week for the 12 range. I need to check. I don't think that is right either. I'm going to go to that Friday video, guys. I'm going to see what those numbers are, and I'll get those put in. I need to start hitting save after every night. All right, now I'm going to go do a quick back test on, let's see, what do we have? What's up for tonight? What do I have in here? The pound Aussie. All right, see you in the next video.